McNeese is no ordinary university. As a student here, I'm in complete control of my future. I can do all the things that make college life fun and exciting, but I don't have to go into debt to get my degree. And the thing that really sets McNeese apart is the close-knit campus community. We call it the McNeese family, and it's my home away from home. There are over 100 different academic programs in undergraduate and graduate studies. So whether you want to study business, something in the healthcare industry, science, technology, art, education, engineering, or agriculture, there's a career plan here that will put you on a path to your dream job. And our small class sizes give students more one-on-one time with instructors who care and who help you prepare for the road ahead. With this level of mentorship, it's no surprise that McNeese students are accepted into professional programs like law school, medical school, and veterinary schools at a rate much higher than the national average. And McNeese nursing and radiology graduates have consistently high first-time pass rates on national credentialing and certification exams that are required for licensure. So why should you choose McNeese? Because we want you to be part of the McNeese family, and we want to help you make a life, make a living, and make a difference in the world.